Hello, this video is going to cover how to record your screen using QuickTime Player on Mac computers. So it's fairly easy. What I've done here is I've made a really quick little example PowerPoint, it's just 3 slides. You'll notice I've put transitions on each slide and I have filled them out for the most part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this slideshow as if I was, broadcasting it to a class. So I'll do the full screen slideshow, and then I'm going to record over it with the QuickTime Player. So the QuickTime Player can be found by coming up to the search bar up in the top corner by your time, and Spotlight search comes up. And so usually all you have to type in is quick, and you'll notice right away QuickTime Player comes up. It's this little Q icon. So I'm going to click on QuickTime Player to launch it, and QuickTime Player is now open, and you'll see it here in the taskbar. So on QuickTime Player I have the option to go to File, and you'll see that I have an option for a new screen recording. So when I click this small toolbar comes up, and I have a little recording button right here in the middle of the screen. You'll notice these little white lines sort of move when I speak. That means the audio is being detected from my microphone. If you do not see the little white lines moving, you are not going to have any of your spoken audio on the video. So you do need to figure out what input that needs to be changed to. And you can see your microphone inputs by clicking this little drop down right here by the record button. And right now you'll see that I am on the internal microphone. I also have my Yeti microphone as my additional option here. If you don't have any other microphones, you will probably just have your internal microphone. If that's all that you have, then I think that that's perfectly fine with the quality of the built-in Mac microphones. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and click on the record button on the QuickTime Player. So it's going to tell me in the middle of my screen that I can just click the screen to record the full screen, or I can actually click and drag my mouse anywhere on my screen to record only part of the screen. In this case, I'm actually going to just click once on the screen to record the full screen because, like I said, I am going to be recording the slideshow as it plays. So here I go. I'm going to click on the screen. The tutorial window went away. You'll notice now that there is a little circle button up here with a little square in the middle of it next to your time. That is actually the QuickTime control, so whenever you're ready to stop recording the screen, you just need to click this once. I'm not going to click it now because it will end my recording that I'm doing currently. Let's go ahead and open up PowerPoint if you haven't already. I have mine open, as you can see, and I'm just going to go ahead and start the slideshow using the Start Slideshow button within PowerPoint itself. So this is just a regular run-of-the-mill PowerPoint. What I'm going to do right now is I am going to advance through it. So you would talk over your slides and then change them whenever you were ready. In this case, this is just a practice PowerPoint, so I'm going to quickly go through it. So this is slide 1. This is slide 2, all about course expectations. And this is slide 3, which I've done a little about the instructor page here. And then once I get to the end of the slideshow, I'm going to click Escape. And I'm going to come up and end my recording for the QuickTime Player. So I'm just going to click on that little button we talked about earlier. So now what you're seeing is the video that I recorded with the QuickTime Player. So this is my desktop and the PowerPoint. So you can see here it did actually record these slide transitions as you watch the video back. So in order to save this video, either to edit or to post somewhere, all you need to do is go up to QuickTime Player, File, and then Save. And you can save it wherever you like. In my case, I'm just going to save it to my desktop, and I'm going to call it Practice Video. And then I'll click Save. And you can actually see it is now saved to my desktop. And I can open it in iMovie or put it onto YouTube or any other streamer whenever I want to.